Okay, what we got this morning is a leaky humidifier, but I got an inducer motor that's bad. This one's a 58MCA. Not much room in here. So I gotta get that inducer out. It's a no-go. Let's see. That ain't no better. There. This one, I was out here earlier, checked everything out. I think let's see. Over there. She's a doozy. Alright, so trying to pry that off. I can't get that darn thing off there. So I'll get this. So I'll have to pry the motor away from it. We got to make sure that cap's got to come off of there, because everyone forgets about it. That cap. I usually just take the clamp off because you don't need the clamp. Oh, there we go. There we go. Take the standoffs off the old one. don't stink, so we're doing good. Going to use coupling that's still on the pipe. I gotta switch the one around. On the bottom. Standoffs. Put my standoffs in. My cap. Right there. And I'll get the screws back in. Can't get that one at the bottom. Go back on the coupling. There we go. Tidy that up. Oh, I busted right up of that. Ouch. Ooh. Thumbs are hurting this morning, man. Ooh. That's what happens when you get old. Pressure switch back on. Drain back on. Goes there, this goes here. There we go, that tube comes around back over here, connects to the drain. This tube connects right to the collector box down there. That's tight, that's tight. Tighten those, cap on. That's tight. Let's spark her up. See what happens. Because before, the wheel would just spin, and the fan wouldn't spin on the other side. And we're lit. It's just a quick inducer motor change. Like I said, I was out here in the morning, looked at the furnace, found out I had bad inducer. I had to go to another appointment, and came back and just slapped this on really quick. Filter's good, everything's pretty much good. And this is a 58 MXA from 2000. Alright, let me get tidied up. Okay, that one was just a quick, easy inducer change. Everything checked out with the furnace heat exchanger. Pretty simple. They're not too terrible to change. You got to take off a few drain hoses, get rid of the pressure switch, you know, move that out of the way, disconnect it from the vent, unplug it, take the standoffs off, and you got to make sure to put that that little cap on the top of that, because the new one doesn't come with a cap, and I find these things all the time without the cap on them. So that's just one thing you have to one thing you gotta make sure you do is put the cap back on, because most of the times you'll open up that furnace and you take a whiff and you're like, you smell combustion, you know, combustion gas, and 9 times out of 10 that cap's missing because someone replaced the inducer motor. So just kind of real quick on that, that's just a quick tip. Make sure you take your cap off and put it on the other one. Alright guys, like and subscribe. Thanks for the support, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.